it's Whitney. Happy Thanksgiving to those that are celebrating. That was my parents' dishwasher making some weird sounds. I am in their kitchen in Massachusetts, and even though I have mixed feelings about Thanksgiving and the history behind it, I do like to spend it with my family or friends when I can, and it's been really nice to be here. It's really cold in Massachusetts. It's snowing outside. You can't see it right there, but you'll see it on my Instagram stories. And I am gearing up to make some dishes. I'm gonna be doing a gluten-free vegan stuffing with one of my favorite gluten-free breads. I am doing gluten-free vegan popovers. If you've never had a popover before, they're amazing, and there's a recipe for vegan popovers on my website. Last I checked, that was one of the most popular recipes that I've ever posted. And I'm doing a mushroom gravy. I'm not sure if there's anything else, but I feel like I'm missing something. Anyways, this video is not just about Thanksgiving. It's actually about something really exciting that I'm announcing tomorrow, November 23rd on Black Friday. And there's that crazy sound again. This is real life. I am not gonna edit this video. There's that, and I also just wanna quickly let you know that I have a lot of content coming your way. I've been recording videos for the past few months, traveling. I've been recording some changes to my diet. I've been doing videos about something secret in my life I haven't mentioned yet. There's a lot coming your way. So stay tuned, make sure that you have the notifications on if you don't want to miss out on those videos. But speaking of not missing out on things, please make sure that you have some sort of notification for my content if you want to know about the special announcement. So tomorrow, November 23rd, through next Tuesday, whatever date that is, I have something really special going on, and I think it's only gonna be available between those dates, so that's why you wanna make sure not to miss it. If you look at the first link in the description field, that's to sign up for my newsletter, which I think is the best way to stay in touch about what I'm working on. I send a newsletter every week, and it's fun, and it's filled with all sorts of stuff like tips and tricks and recommendations and updates and all of that. If you're not into newsletters, that's fine. You can sign up for or follow me on any social media network. I post a lot on Instagram stories, a little bit, well, fairly frequently on Facebook and Twitter. It's all under @EcoVeganGal, and those are linked to down below too. And if you turn on notifications for this channel, you should see videos, but also like posts that I put up. Like now YouTube has posts kind of like Twitter and Facebook. Anyways, the link down below not only goes to my newsletter for the announcement tomorrow, November 23rd, but it also has something that I've been working on for the past few days that I'm really excited about. I poured my heart into this. This is a little Black Friday guide. I do this every year, and this is like the best it's ever been, I'm fairly certain. So if you go to the website, in the description, you'll see this. You'll see the teaser for tomorrow's announcement. There's that crazy kitchen sound again. What the heck is going on? Okay, and then you've got the deals page. So this is, we come here to kit.com. You can see everything really well, and if you click on each thing, you can see all these different deals from a bunch of my favorite companies that are running specials for Black Friday weekend. So these are all products that I own, that I love. Most of these are things that I've been using for years, and I just want you to know how you can save on them. Some of them are like digital, but a lot of them are physical products. And some of them are even business related, because I'm really passionate about that too. So I just want to make sure that you knew that that was going on. Again, that's linked in the description, and it's just for this weekend. Some of the deals are really time sensitive. Some of them are just for today or tomorrow, Black Friday. Some of them run through next Tuesday. Some of them run a little bit longer. Every company is a little different, so go check them out and figure out if you want to buy something. There are also tips on that website about saving money in general and how to buy consciously, which is something I'm very passionate about. Even though I love to recommend products, I never want you to buy something just to buy it. I'm a really, really big believer in buying the things that you need or really, really want, and not over consuming, not spending money that you don't have and putting it on credit cards that you're not gonna pay off. I don't want you to like have a ton of wasteful things. that's not part of the eco-vegan mentality in my opinion. So there's a great website that's linked within that guide that talks all about how to spend consciously, wisely, buy things that last a really long time. So keep that in mind too. But everything I recommend I think is really worthwhile. I think there's a ton of value. And as I said, most of the things on that list are items that I've bought once and used for a very long time. So that's super important to me as well. Oh, and also most of those brands are run by amazing people. I should probably say all of them. I think I know most of the people that own those companies too. So I can attest that they have big hearts and they're in alignment with the things that you and me care about. So that's it for now. I'm gonna get back to preparing for my big feast tonight with my family, which we're having in this room. My mom is really into decorating, so she like got everything all set up here. Maybe I'll document that on Instagram a little bit if you're curious. And yeah, I hope you're having an amazing day, whether or not you're celebrating. Doesn't really matter as long as you're happy in your heart, right? Honestly, that's so true. And I'll see you very soon. Stay tuned for what's coming next on YouTube. I have so much that I've been working on. I can't wait to share it with you. Thank you so much, by the way, for being part of this community, for watching this video and any other video. You mean the world to me, whether or not I've ever met you or talked to you before. Just the fact that you're here watching, that you're part of the Eco-Vegan Gal community is so, so valuable to me. And that gratitude is so huge. I actually just passed the 10-year anniversary of Eco-Vegan Gal last month. So it's pretty amazing how long some of you have been in my life virtually. All right, that's it. I'll see you very soon. Wishing you all the very best with your lives, with your day, with whatever you're doing today and this weekend. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm here for you. And again, the links are all down below, including ways to get in touch with me. So never be afraid to reach out. Okay, bye.